Okay, this is an epic Indiana Jones glitch.
Made by me.
Epic.
Epic. Let's see if I can try to do it again. Okay.
Okay, try.
Wait a second.
There you
Yes,
go.
I am now officially the glitch master.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Okay, the end.
Yeah, day production.
Okay. Yep, this is another glitch. Another epic glitch. It's just... We don't know how we did this one.
I know how I did it.
Well,
I killed...
Don't tell them. No, you can tell them.
No.
Look, it's got no arms or anything.
I'm going to tell you, right? Okay, I see the other guy over there. See that guy? Yeah, right. Well, I got him and I killed the girl and then I put them both back, or the guy or whatever. He sounds like a guy when he gets shot, but anyway. And I killed her and him. And then I put them both back on the platform and then that body's just bouncing around and
You can walk through it.
WTF. Let's see if I can try and wait. This is epic. Glitch. Fail. I'm annoyed.
And it just doesn't go away no matter what. The end.